Hi, this is Christine Prasad for Best Buy Blog, and today I'm going to talk about some of the key features of the Narwal S10 Pro wet and dry vacuum mop. So yes, as the name suggests, it is a dry vacuum as well as a wet mop in one, and it performs both actions at the same time. So that's a really cool option that you probably haven't heard much of. It's an upright device. And how does it do this? It vacuums and it keeps the debris in one part of the bin. The bottom part of the bin keeps the dirty water. So it's separated so that when you're cleaning up, you dump out the debris and you empty out the water and clean both. So it is cordless, runs for 50 minutes per charge, and it comes with a dock. It has 5 cleaning modes and a max mode that will capture heavier spills or tough stains. It uses AI DirtSense technology to auto-detect the level of dirtiness. So there's also a color LCD that shows the mode that you're in, as well as the dirt level, etc., and other important notifications. Now, it's easy to maneuver using self-propulsion, so it glides effortlessly along, even though it is quite heavy. So this isn't a lightweight vacuum. But if you've ever used a self-propelled lawnmower, then you understand the same principle. So instead of you pushing it along, it's actually pulling you as it goes, which is an interesting and fun experience. Now, before I get to one of the most interesting features, which is self-cleaning. Yes, everyone loves anything that says they don't have to clean as much. The vacuum does have really cool voice prompts. So it will tell you about the cleaning mode, the status, when you need to empty the bin, if there's a problem, when you need to refill water, even if it detects a low mode. So I'll give you an idea of what those voice prompts sound like. So you can just listen here, and see how it sounds.
Auto mode. Turbo mode. Quiet mode. Suction mode. Auto mode. Low area cleaning detected. Adjusting suction power automatically.
Okay, so we're back. So how cool is that? It's a pretty neat thing to have. I know you don't want to vacuum late at night because that might disturb the family members, but it's really neat to have voice assistance with your vacuum. Now, as mentioned, it will advise of various things like a low mode, so you can get down low and hold it straight 180 degrees and get underneath furniture, couches, beds, etc. while you're vacuuming and mopping. It also tilts and swivels, and it can get as close as 6 millimeters to the edges of floors and walls, so you can really get a nice deep clean everywhere. Now that self-cleaning mode that I was mentioning. So now there is a manual cleanup process required, so in terms of cleaning out the filter, the dustbin, as well as the empty water bin, and just rinsing off the roller brush. But once you put everything back, you dock the machine and hit the self-clean button, and it will actually use electrolyzed water to clean and disinfect all the parts. So that includes the dirty water bin, the filter, the roller brush, as well as the pipes. Once it's done that, it will actually run a dry cycle as well. So in under 30 minutes, the entire thing can be fully dried out and ready for your next use. So that to me is one of the coolest features of this model. And again, the voice assistant walks you through that whole process as well. So again, as I mentioned, it is quite heavy. It can only dry vacuum and wet mop at the same time. It cannot do one or the other. So you will need a cordless stick vacuum, a lightweight vacuum, or a robot vacuum as well for just the quick cleans when you need to clean up a spill or just do a quick clean of the home, and as well as if you have carpeting as well, because this will only run on hardwood floors, tiles, so kitchen, bathroom, and then hardwood flooring, but all types of hardwood flooring. So I did notice I have to do a couple passes over certain areas sometimes when there was especially tough stains, but that's to be expected. But overall, it works really well. So I would say that this vacuum/mop is best for small homeowners, apartment dwellers, condo dwellers, as long as you have mostly hardwood floors and or tiles in the home, so that you can get the most out of it. And the self-cleaning and drying and the voice prompts are all really cool features with this model. So To learn more, just read my full review on the Best Buy blog, and that is the Narwal S10 Pro wet and dry vacuum/mop. Thanks so much for watching.